Hey everyone, it's Alexa here, and today we're doing my favorite Mew Mew, Mew Minto. She always had my most favorite metamorphosis. If you're wondering why my eyes do look a little red, it is because I did my 31 days of Halloween. I pre-film a lot, as you guys know that, so the eyes are a little bit red because I did my Elastigirl, and I had liquid lipstick on my eyes and my eyebrows, so that is the culprit. The lighting is a little bit weird in this video, because I didn't realize I had a light bulb going out. I don't know why, I just didn't notice. So excusez-moi for the weird light thing. So we're just powdering over our face. We just put some foundation on and stuff like that, and we're just blending that in, making sure we look a-okay Jose. We're putting on a really metallic-y light blue on our inner corner and blending that into basically all over our lid. And then we're going to put a little bit of a tan color on our crease, and then we're just going to highlight our whole face with a light metallic blue, basically. I got the Alchemist palette, and I thought it was perfect for all my Mew Mews, so it was just like a no-brainer. But I kind of chose a bigger brush to highlight with, and that was just kind of a mistake. So yeah, try to use a fan brush if you can, or a slightly smaller fluffy brush. And then I'm using just a kind of tulip brush to contour my face. I'm just using a matte bronzer. So there's a lot of conflicting colors on this eye. And we did a really big wing for Mew Minto. I think hers is probably the easiest to say because it's 3 M's in a row. Mew Minto metamorphosis. I don't know, it's just my favorite transformation out of all of the girls. I think it's just really fluid too because she is a dancer, and I didn't have a really short blue wig, so I apologize, and I threw on some big lashes and just a peachy pink lip gloss. So she doesn't have any hair down basically except by her face. It's like a short bob with 2 space buns, so I just kind of threw up the buns there because wigs are hard to style, and I'm not fully great at that yet. I know I'm 23, but I'm not amazing at this yet, so I apologize. But Mew Minto, she's my favorite, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. If you guys are enjoying this series, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I would love to have you stick around. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please be sure to leave those in the comments down below. I'd love to get to them. See you in the next video. Bye!